Hey Malalis, how are people doing? So this is Lekha from Leku's Lifestyle, and today I'm back with another review video of an international product, that is Laneige, and this is their combo product. And this brand is particularly hype, especially on their sleeping lip mask is so in hype. And yes, this is available in Nykaa, and this is an international product, and this product is a combo package which comes for especially for the hydration of your skin, because hydration is so important for your skin as well as your body. Sometimes we forget, or we just go up and down in drinking or in taking the water, but if you have a lot of intake of water, if you take a lot of water, then your skin will be hydrated and glowing and smooth and flawless. But mostly we fail it because of the busy schedules of us, so it's common. So this kind of gel, cleanser, mask, all these things will help in hydration. So this is basically for hydration to go. So this is for, you can see it's for combination to oily skin, because they have two variants. One is for normal and to dry skin, and as mine is the T-zone is on the oily type, and here it almost is like normal skin, so it's like combination skin. So I went with this package. So firstly, let us check out the content and all the product details. So these have 5 products in this, and I got this from Nykaa. So there are 5 products, and this retails for rupees 1850. 1850 is the price for the 5 products. But don't worry guys, it is economical, but all are small cute dabbas. But beyond that, you will be getting a lot of samples or some other products. So I would like to show, before getting in the product, I'll just show the samples which I got from when I ordered from Nykaa. So these are the things which I got as a samples. That is absolutely free, but it's samples. So I have 3 brands of the same product which I have ordered, that is Laneige. So this is their Laneige Sika sleeping mask, which is around 10 ml of sample cute tub. I really love their tubs and their color combinations, tempting. So this is one of their, and I haven't used it, but this is another one which is, again, it's a white dew tone up cream, and this is really awesome cream. So nice texture, and it just absorbs in your skin, and it gives you a good result also, and a mild fragrance which I think it's okay, because I love this fragrance and it doesn't irritate my skin. So this is the second thing, and the third thing which I got is again a White Dew skin refiner. This is again I think it is 10 ml or 15 ml, 25 ml lotion kind of thing. This is also very good, and beyond that, I have 2 more other samples. That is, can you see this? How cute this is? This is from the brand Sluwasu. Okay, this is the brand, and this is their serum and their renewing cream, and this is so expensive and luxurious product. When you go for the full size, it's so luxurious, guys. So I am thankful. I think it comes around 6k or above 6k when you go for 30 to 50 ml of the bottle or something. But I am happy because I won't be buying that much expensive product, but still I am happy that I got this on my hand, because I can just use one, can be used for 2 days or something. It's small, but I can use it, and I'm happy that I can use it at least without giving any penny of spending any penny, isn't it? It's wonderful, Nykaa. Thank you, Nykaa. So guys, let us go back and check the product details now. Firstly, I have a Laneige cleansing multi deep clean cleanser, and it's a multi action and suitable for all skin types, and I have used it. Believe me guys, this is this it's not a gel kind of face wash. This is a creamy structure, but it is wonderful. It cleans your skin so deeply. Believe me, this is wonderful. So this is the first product which I have on my hand in the combination or the combo pack, and the second one is wonderful. This is, color is so nice, isn't it? This is their Hydro Essence, and this is their Hydro Essence tub which comes, and you can see it's a pump, and this is really working out, because though I have used it a couple of times only, but I have read a lot of reviews and they have a lot of people have mentioned a lot of good reviews about this. This works amazing. I have heard it and I have used a couple of times and it just penetrates into skin, but I didn't get much result because, as I said, short usage. But I will be buying repeatedly if it works good for my skin. So it's basically for hydro essence, that is hydration of your skin. The next thing which again comes to my hand is a water sleeping mask. It's basically completely water everywhere, but not a single drop to drink. So it's like mask which you can apply before you go to sleep, and it's a kind of mask for the night hydration. So night is something when your skin gets repaired and when your skin really works on those cellulite and everything happens in the night. So especially when you are giving a good application or a good massage or good product to your skin or good cure to your skin or pampering your skin at the night, it will be helpful, because in the morning obviously you are exposed to sun or pollution and etc. So night is the best time, and this combo basically have most of the night products. So this is another product, and this is the third product in the combo. Next is my favorite. This is their lips living mask, which is on hype. It is amazing. Believe me guys, I have already used it. This is quite small. You can buy single products also in Nykaa, but this is quite small, but I have already used this large one and it is amazing. It even helps in the lowering of the pigmentation or lightening of the lips, and your lipstick just looks like smooth and so hydrated also in the morning. So this is the fourth product. And the last but not the least, it's a hydro gel, and the tub looks amazing. Even the color or the shade is like a sea blue color shade, and it's an hydrogel water bank. It's kind of water bank, and it's again water. And as I have used twice only, but I felt this is amazing. So in total, all the products I have used 1 or 2 times only to give a good review, but I'm not disappointed because I didn't get any breakouts or any kind of allergy or any bad effects, but I found it better only in each time when I'm using. So I think it will be working good, and this combo pack is really awesome, budget friendly and handy dandy. You can use it for traveling. Beyond that, you can have a trial, like than spending a lot of pennies on a big size or a 30 ml 40 ml product and it doesn't work, means what will happen? So it's like a sample product also, and you, as I said, you are getting a lot of samples. So you can check it out. The offers keep changing, so you can check it on the Nykaa site. So that's it, and I really loved all these products. I really loved, and in whole this combo is amazing. So guys, hope you like this video, and you should also have a try of this, and obviously you can go for the other if you have tried to normal skin and enjoy the hydration and enjoy the watery feeling of your skin, and your skin will also be happy. So I'm so happy with this product, and I hope I have covered all those details, and especially I think this product is in India, but this is manufactured or curated in UK, hopefully UK, I think so. Korea? No, Korea. Okay, it's manufactured in Korea. Yeah, it's manufactured in Korea, but still it's an international brand, and Korean beauty products are also good. So hope you like this product review, and if it is, please hit the like button and subscribe too if you haven't subscribed to my channel guys. And stay hydrated, stay healthy, stay beautiful, take care, bye bye.